Hello and good morning. This is Margot Hobbs with Canva plus AI tools. In today's video, I am going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create stickers using your Samsung phones. So let's start right here. And as you can see, I created some image which are now in the group with the prompt. So what we are going to do is we are going to create all of these beautiful stickers. So what we're going to do, the first step is to go to the pencil, which is going to show you edit. Once you click on that, you're going to click on the little smiley face with the pencil again. It's going to change over to stickers. Once you do that, you are then going to click on the plus sign, and from the plus sign, what you're going to do is click on whichever one you would like to create a sticker with. So let's start with this. So once that's done, you're going to hit on next. And we can do outline, we can do cutout, vintage, cartoon. Let's go with vintage. So there we go. We now have a vintage sticker. So to do the same process again, we're just going to go back to the smiley face and the pencil, sticker, and we are going to do the plus sign again because why not change it up a bit? So as you can tell, I have a few here. So I am going to click on this one up here. And next. And let's do outline. And now we're going to add it over here. And we're going to do outline. And you can move it around, turn it around, whatever it is that you want to do with it, place it to make sure it looks the way you want it to. And let's do another. So this is how you get back to your sticker gallery. So once you've done your stickers and you're in the same area, all you have to do is click on stickers and you can use your stickers wherever you want. So this is one that I did as a test run. So there is that one. It's really and truly that simple with making stickers on your phone. I know we can do it in Canva and other software, but sometimes we never look to our phones to see what's there. So I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make stickers on the go from your phone. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment and I will be happy to answer. If there's something you're trying to figure out with your Samsung phones that you don't know, ask the question and I will do a tutorial for you. Thank you so much. Again, this is Margot Hobbs with Canva plus AI tools. Thank you so much.